Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you're watching this video from. This is Learn with Wanja, where we talk about freelancing and optimizing our potentials in the digital space. Today's topic is about Upwork. Upwork is one of the freelancing platforms that is free to join, and it's an account that we call a bid account. A bid account is an account whereby you register, and then once you're in, you look at the jobs available. If a job matches what you can do, you send a proposal to the client. And if you're chosen by the client, you get a response, you sign a contract, and you go on with the project. So welcome, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And let's get to the video. So I'll go straight to signing up in Upwork. I've searched for upwork.com, as you can see. Now I want to sign up, and I'm a freelancer looking for work. Apply as a freelancer. I fill my details over here. It's sending an email to my inbox so that I can verify my email to work with Upwork. You can see that, and I'll go straight to my email. I'll find their email, starts with do not reply, and then I verify my email address. Nice. So our account is being verified. We're about to get started. You fill out manually. Do not take any other option. Use fill out manually. It allows you to customize your profile how you want it to be. So I love writing. I can say creative and professional writer. Okay, creative and professional writer. I add my experience now. Do not ignore this one. It adds to your percentage score in profile completion. I have filled my details. Now the description is optional, so do not put anything there. It's not a must. Now I add my education. Do not ignore any of the steps. It adds to your profile completeness, and you do not want to have a 50% profile completeness in such a competitive platform. Here are my details on education. And again, the description is optional. I save. Next is languages. Of course, the first language of the platform is English, and I'm a fluent speaker. I can add another language here. I am a Kenyan, I know Swahili, so I'll add Swahili, and in Swahili, I am a native Swahili speaker since I'm a Kenyan, so I'll choose native. Now I go to sharing my skills. This is one of the most important parts of a profile in Upwork, and I'm going to put a maximum of 15 skills. I'll put my skills here. I'll first put the ones suggested. The goodness with this part, if I start typing, it prompts me to add skills here. I have my skills here. One more remaining. I've said let's maximize 15 skills. So I'll add one more skill here. And all these skills are related to writing. You can put your own choice. Mine is this one. Then now I go to write my bio. The bio is the next most important thing in a profile for a person looking forward to working in Upwork. You can see an example from Roy Z. So I'm going to draft my own, and then you will use it to make your own when creating your own account. I've written my bio. Make sure your bio is error-free. It has captured the most important things about who you are in that category you've written. After that, go next to choosing your area of work. brief, straight to the point. So I'll choose content writing. You can add as many as you wish. Next, I want to set my rate. I can put, for starters, I can start with $5 per hour. So we have a service fee of 20% that is cut from whatever you earn. So Upwork service fee is 20%. You can learn more about that from this link. Lastly is photo and location. Let me fill the details. So after filling my details, I'll go to check my profile. I've completed some of them. I'm remaining with the phone number, and then I go straight to checking my profile. So this is how my profile looks like. You can see that looking good. Confirm if there is anything that is not in order. If everything is in order, then we can submit our profile. And there we are. Nice work, Faith. Your profile is ready. And now we can browse for jobs. So it's a very simple process. You can see how simple that was. Very few minutes and we were done. And then there is a pop-up that has come telling me to complete my profile since it's 70%. So you can see my profile completeness is 70%. And for you to become one of the most competitive freelancers, it's very important for you to have 100% profile completeness. And how do you do it? You just click on profile completeness. You can add employment history, 2 more employment history, each is 10%. So you'll get 20, and 1 education history, that is 30. It will make it to 100%. And then later, when you have more experience, you have had jobs you have done already, you can add a portfolio, a video introduction, certifications, and other experiences. So for me, I'll add employment history and education since it's the simplest, and it will give me the same results 100%. So now my profile is 100%. I've told you it's just adding education history and work history. Each carries 10%. And then now I have 100% profile completeness. You can see the jobs loading. Most of them are related to writing. So there are so many jobs. If I want to check at random how many jobs there are, let me show you. At random, I've just joined the platform, just see 199,094 jobs. You can see almost 200,000 jobs available. If you check, we have even jobs posted 4 minutes ago, others 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago. You can see 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago. So Upwork has lots of jobs. They are posted every now and then. As long as you have joined the platform, you are at the right place. You can start looking for jobs immediately. But before looking for jobs, you need to add a payment method. So I'm going to come to my settings. We need to know where will our money go to after we have had an account. So what they do first, they'll first bring a password, a security question. So I'll just select any of them. Let me just choose a random one. Okay, so that I can be allowed to go on. So, and there we go. So you can see from my settings, I have so many settings. And now I want to go to a setting known as get paid. This is where you customize your profile. Where is your money going to get to? So we have this form that you must fill first. When you open it, you'll see the details. And then after that, you come to payment details and add. If you're in Kenya, you can just add M-Pesa. There's no problem. And if you're not in Kenya, you can use PayPal. You can just set it up. So when I say, for example, M-Pesa, it's going to load for me another page. I'll fill my details here. After I'm done, I'm just going to submit. So it's as easy as that. Very easy. If I want to add PayPal, the same. I'll just come I add a method and then I say PayPal. I set it up and it's going to bring another pop-up where I'm going to be taken to PayPal and add my details. After adding your details, the next thing you're going to set a schedule. When do you want to be withdrawing money? And the options are, do you want to be withdrawing twice a month, once a month, every week? You'll choose the options depending on your preferences. Always when you want to look for jobs, you just come here and say, find work. And then the jobs will load and then you'll be able to choose a job that you want, write a proposal and submit and wait for the response. That's the end of our video today. On the next video, we are going to see how to write a proposal and also how to customize your account so that you have one account, but it has more than one profiles in Upwork so that you can maximize on your potential in the platform. If you don't have, if there is no job you can handle in a certain category, you look for a job in another one. If not that one, another one. 3 profiles, 1 Upwork account. We'll do that next time. Until next time, thank you very much. And this is Learn with Wanja. Bye-bye.